Thank you for buying this 5x7 picture frame from Fixture Displays. The base is made from solid wood, painted a warm, nice medium oak color. It takes 5x7 graphics, literature, or pictures. The overall width is 5 inches, depth is 2 inches, and height is 8.2 inches. The base features two different slots, straight up and angled. This gives you a great deal of flexibility to create an environment where your imagery or information is best displayed. I hope you enjoy this product. It's a pleasure to share this product with you.